Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a great beginner friendly wig for you all, and you don't necessarily need a wig cap for this one, and I threw it out to be all dramatic, but then I was like, girl, you know you don't want those combs causing any tension or anything or snagging, so I decided to put it back on. But if you're wearing cornrows, you don't have to worry. So this unit is from Myfirstwigs, and they now offer the fake scalp method. This is what it looks like. It's more of a fabric material. It's not an actual stocking cap, and I really like that this one is really nicely colored and also breathable. They also offer an elastic band, so you don't necessarily have to secure this unit down, but I always end up having to do it. Now this is what the front looks like. I am going to tint the front just a bit, and I'll show you all how to do it without using Sally Hansen. So we're just going to put the unit on just to actually test it out, and I'm making sure it's centered. And as you can see, this is an everyday unit. You could just throw it on and be ready to go, especially if you're going to wear your hair flowing downward on the sides without having any of it behind your ear. So I'm just going to take my MAC Studio Fix, and this is a powder foundation, and I'm just going to put it in the front just before where the fake scalp material has been added, and I'm just going in with a foundation brush and just stippling it on in that area. And this is going to tint it and give you some color so that it actually matches much better and looks more flesh-like. So as I shared earlier, this is one of those wigs that you're not going to have to really do anything to. It comes with 6 inches of deep parting space, and it's also pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about any tweezing or anything. The hairline looks really nice, but if you want to customize it a little more, feel free to do that. But they've started us off really well. Now most times I like to prep my unit before actually installing it, and this time I'm using the Care wax in order to lay it down. I typically use a mousse, but I've really been enjoying this product, especially for my straighter textured units. And as you can see, it's going to get the hairline super laid. It's going to look like you use gel or something, and it's going to look really awesome. After completing this step, I'm going to go in with my fine tooth comb and just comb everything back, do the other side, and then follow it up with a hot comb.
What?
So now that the front hairline looks nice and sleek, I'm going to begin to flat iron the hair using a flat iron that I got from Sally Beauty, and then I'm going to begin to cut the lace off and begin the installation process. Y'all, sometimes I totally wish I did not have a low hairline, because I could just put units on and they look so great without having to use got-to-be glue or anything. But because of my low hairline, I am going to have to secure it down on the side and also add some baby hair. But I would like to do no baby hair for this one, but I couldn't because of the way it's structured. But we're going to make it work, and it's still going to look flawless, so keep watching. rat-tail comb is really going to be your best friend when laying your units, especially the ones that have the metal pin tail. I love those. And you can find those at your local beauty supply store. They create a great deal of precision when you're parting, when you're pressing into the lace, when you're actually applying your got-to-be glue or your adhesive. They're just awesome. So right now I'm just trimming down my baby hair using an eyebrow razor, and I'm going to use this to cover the peaks of my hairline that are exposed. And then I'm also trimming down my sideburns just to make those look as realistic as possible. This is the length that I started at, but I did decide to cut them down a little more later. Right now I'm refining the front just to make sure everything's blended out and it meshes well with my skin. So I'm just using the 3D Face Creator by Ruby Kiss, and I'm going along the hairline just to make sure everything looks seamless.
All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
Honey, this unit is laid and I did not have to do much work to it at all. I love how flat it is. I love the parting space. This hair feels amazing. I love the length. I got it in length 20 and the density is 130, but y'all, it seems like it's 150% density. Also note that this is a unit that Miss Precious Marie is credited for the fake scalp, and the color is medium brown. My cap size is a size 1 and this is the silky texture.
All the choices you made, would you make them again? All the choices you made, would you make them again?
Ladies, I hope that you all enjoyed this detailed tutorial. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications for this hair. My dress will also be linked down below. I look forward to hearing comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.